Hello everyone, it's Jamie here and welcome to another trading session. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because it's going to form part of our training Wednesday, and I'm also going to upload this onto our YouTube channel because I think it's going to be a great video, a great subject on the difference between taking a forex trade and a binary trade. Now for this video I'm going to be trading the pullback strategy, so I want both of these modes on. So in the top left corner here you can see pullback mode on, and I want to turn the alerts off like this. So this is the setup that I'm going to be using in today's video. Now let me just have a look at the currency pairs. I'm going to change this mode on like this. So yeah, so what I'm going to be doing, okay, I'm going to be trading forex here, and I want to show you a difference between me taking a forex trade and me taking a binary trade. Now let's just break down this currency pair and I'll show you what's happening in the charts and which way I want to be taking a trade on this particular currency pair. So if I just zoom out like this, what can we see? Okay, so first of all, we can see that this currency pair is in an uptrend. It's trending above the moving average, okay, which signifies an uptrend. If I look at it closely, I can see a nice trend up, I can see a pullback, and now I can see another push up, and I can see another pullback. So what do you think is the next move is going to happen? If we've just made a higher high and a lower high and another lower high and a higher low, where do you think we're going to go next? We're going to go up, okay? So if we're going to go up, what do I want to be doing? I want to be taking call trades, okay? Now if you zoom in, we've just crossed over here, okay? So we can just see here we've just crossed over. Now this signifies that the trend is turning, okay? We've gone from a uptrend because the price was above the moving average. We've now crossed over to go below it. So this means we're now into a downtrend. So in fact, you can actually take some binary trades here, some real good binary trades here, and you can make some good money here. But I would not actually, because I'm trading this on forex, I'm not actually going to sell the market here. The reason being is because this is actually an uptrend. All that's happening here is a pullback. Okay, all this is happening is a pullback in the market. We've got a trend up, a pullback, a trend up, a pullback, and we'll continue to come up like this. So what I want to be doing for me to get into a trade here is I want to see these two moving averages crossing over again, and then me getting into on a pullback. Okay, this is pretty much it. Simple trading. On this particular situation here, a lot of beginners would sell the market thinking, yes, we've crossed over here, we're going to shoot down. But if you actually look at the picture, okay, it's just an uptrend. Okay, it's just an uptrend. So I want to be taking call trades on this. Okay, here is another example, AUD USD. Again, we've got a push up, we've got a pullback, we've got a push up, we've got a pullback. That is all I've been doing. So again, I want to be waiting for the crossover to happen again around here, and then we'll get into a trade. That is pretty much all it is. Okay, so I've got my eye on two currency pairs at the minute, AUD USD and NZUSD, and also saying that Euro NZD as well is also nice. Okay, if I look at the bigger picture, we have got a trend down, we've got a pullback. So what do you think the next move is going to be? A trend down. So what I want to do is wait for the crossover to happen here, and then I'll get into a sell trade. I'll wait for the crossover to happen here. I'll get in on the first red arrow and I'll sell the market. Pretty much that's it. Could not be any more simpler. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm just going to pause the video I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes and hopefully we can get some trades going. So I'll be back. Hi everyone, right, so we are good. We've just crossed over on AUD USD. Now, what I want to be doing with this trade now is waiting for the pullback. So as you can see, I've got my ctrader loaded up here. I'm going to bring up my chart like this so you can see me taking the trade. Now again, let's just break down this. What do I like? It's an uptrend. You can clearly see uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. So I'm looking, we've just got the pullback here now. So we are continuing up. What I'd want to be doing now is waiting for the first pullback, which it looks like is happening now. I'm going to be bringing up ctrader like this, and I'm just going to quickly work out what my stop loss needs to be. If I have my stop loss around, what's that, 6 pips, 7 pips, let's go for 7 pips stop loss. So if I have a 7 pip stop loss, then I need to risk 2%. There we go. So two lots here is 1% of my account. So this is what I'm risking per trade. I'm risking 1% here, which is £100. So yeah, waiting for the price just to pull down a bit more, waiting for the stochastics to cross over, waiting for a BD arrow, and then we should be getting into a trade. So I'll just wait for the timer to push down a bit more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we've crossed over. In fact, I'm just going to take a trade here. Right, okay, so as you can see, sorry, my phone just went off. I've got a trade going here. You can see here nicely. Now, what I like about this, there's our BD arrow. There's our, there we go, there we go. So I might actually, just to show you, I'm going to get into another trade. Stop loss, again, 7 pips. Take profit, again, my take profit wants to be a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So 10, 9, 8. No, price is pushing up. There we go, there we go. Buy the market. 3, 2, 1. Wait for that candle to close. And I'm in another trade. So yeah, I'm happy with this trade. As you can see, we should push up nicely now. Again, this is the start of our push up. You can see trend down, pull back, trend up, pull down, trend up. Pretty much this is it. So yeah, as you can see, zoom in, you can see that we've just crossing over here. We should cross over now and push up, which will be really interesting. Again, you can see that my trades are here. What I'll do, everyone, is I'm going to set this like this so you can see the two trades. And I will, in fact, what's my take profit needs to be on this one. I want, there we go, protect. So yes, what I'll do, everyone, is I will pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone. So yeah, as you can see, okay, it's been a couple of minutes, but you see our crossover back again. Now this is exactly what I was saying. Remember what I said previously, when the white is on the bottom, it's an uptrend. When the white is on top, it's a downtrend. So now we just crossed over here again. Okay, this is signifying back into an uptrend. So we had, if you look at the bigger picture here, okay, all this is a pullback. All this is a pullback. We've got our trend up, our pullback by the white being on top, and now we've just crossed over and we're going to continue up again, crossover, first pullback in the trade. I did get into this trade a little bit early, but obviously I'm a bit more experienced and I can see what's going on here. So yeah, as you can see, I'm updating the trade. I'll be back when I get a result on it. Hi everyone, so it's been a couple of minutes now, but now the trade's gone into profit. Can you actually see what's actually happening? Okay, the price is pretty much rejecting straight off our moving average. Okay, and this is why I say it's always important to wait for the crossover and then first pullback. Because the support, as you can see, the moving average is act as a support. You can see prices below it. It's a downtrend, prices above it, it's an uptrend. But if you look at the bigger picture, all this was just a pullback in the market. And obviously you want to be trading with the trend. Trend is your friend. So yeah, as the trade goes into profit now, I will just, in fact, I'll bring this up a little bit more so you can actually just see the account and what's available. And what I'll do again is I've got this set as a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So risking 1% to make 1% hit. So yeah, pretty much that is it. There's nothing too complicated about it. It's just a simple way of trading by using the pullback. So yeah, I will give you an update soon on the result. Hi everyone, what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to close one of these positions off at the minute. Only reason being because I'd like to get a bit of profit in the bag, because at the end of the day these trades can easily turn against me, and obviously I could lose both of these trades. So if I just close one of these trades off, then I've secured £40 in the bag. Okay, so I've got another trade going. And as you can see, it's going to 4.2 fips. What I can do is now bring up my trailing stop loss. Where's my stop loss here? And I can just bring it up. And in fact, I'm going to bring it up to around 2.7 pips. So my stop loss, I've now reduced it to 2.7 pips, meaning my the worst I'm going to lose on this trade is now £40, which I've just covered that £40 in a previous trade. So that's now protected. In fact, it did actually, yeah, so I did, yeah. So yeah, as you can see, and then hopefully this trade will continue to rise. We can hopefully get 5, 6, 7 pips out of it. And then yeah, I'll call that a day. So I'll update you on this trade. Hi everyone, so it's been around, I'll probably say 20 minutes, but this is what I would call the pullback arrows. Now, you notice how we've got our first pullback arrow here. Now, this is where I'd be taking my binary trades. I'd probably take a quick 5-minute trade in and out, because we're now riding the uptrend. We're now riding this uptrend, but obviously I'm already in a forex trade here. I got in down below this crossover here. So yeah, as you can see this trade would have been nicely into the money, but this is what I would do. Hello. Hi everyone, sorry about that, my phone went off. So yes, as you can see, this is what I would have took this trade for a 5-minute expiry, and this is what I would do. In this particular case, I would ride the trend up. This is what's happening now. We're riding the trend. So what I could do is, if I bring up my new order, I could just wait for another pullback arrow here and then get into another trade. Okay, unfortunately the price is continuing to go up, so I haven't got an arrow at the minute. But if I pop this like here, you can see, oh no, I've got this on 2 screens so you can't quite see. That's our original trade here, and at the minute nothing's really happening. It's just kind of sitting there at around 3 pips, which is rather annoying. This should go higher. I don't see why it shouldn't. What I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll update you if I hear anything else. Hi everyone, so as you can see, I've been sitting here for around an hour now, so I'm just going to close these trades off actually. bring them up here. I'm just going to close this trade off at 5.1 pips. That's me done. I've got to go out now for some food, but you can see if I bring this up here, you can see today's trades made a nice £103. So yeah, as you can see, that's it. Okay, what I would say is just remember, okay, look at the picture, right, at the bigger picture, what's happening here. Look, remember, uptrend, pullback, hold on, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. That is it. Don't be fooled by the crossover here, okay? Just because we've got a, if I zoom in here, just because we've got a cross over here does not necessarily mean the price is going to reverse. All this is a pullback, okay? So just be careful and remember that if you're going to trade this, just remember it's an uptrend. Wait for the crossover, wait for the pullback, get into a trade. So yeah, I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions, just let me know.